yes, audio, yes, audio, yes. Good. So we can broadcast. It will be rewarding. Design of a website for a digital agency. Yeah, so that's a fun thing to do, and that's something that I supposed to start working a while ago, but like it's a side quest. So the biggest for me personally, the most important is Planero. Let's see how it goes. But then obviously that's the most important for me. But I have also people that I'm working with that they rely on me to actually build other stuff. And so like obviously Planero is my biggest project at this time, and I'm working on it pretty much daily now. And if you didn't see it yet, then you can obviously, let's see, you can obviously, guess who's back again. Okay, you can obviously, I don't know what I wanted to even say before I've seen Eminem, Slim Shady, but there's also this idea of pixels and logic, and actually currently I think my pixels and logic agency's website is broken, which I will probably have to fix that today. So I worked with my buddy Kuba, who actually helped me also a bit on the Planero project, and we met actually on a hackathon. So he was actually I was at this hackathon. It was like the biggest hackathon in Europe, they said. So I was, my wife wants something or not? Sorry for that. Chyba, że Maciejowi pasuje też piątek. Yeah, so we met on a hackathon, and he was one of the contenders. Is it like so one of the people who took part in it, and I was one of the mentors there. So my task was to walk around and try to help people do their projects best. And my mom, you know, on the hackathon, all my advice was just chill out. Make sure you don't worry too much about the code quality. Don't worry about, you know, how many pull requests or how you call them or whatever. Make sure your app is fun, and make sure you are presenting, you know how to present it well in whatever form they actually allow you. So that was my advice most of the time. And if you have a presentation to make sure the guy who is making presentation and the girl who is making the presentation, he or she has enough, you know, rest and relax before it, instead of like just, you know, working all night and then standing up and just presenting it. The person should just like chill out and just go and just talk and go for a walk maybe before, so they're more relaxed. I think that was my main advice. And then I was just like, if someone asked me about React or front end or something, I could probably advise on that. And I showed a couple of people how to do even basics and how to do vibe coding, how to do AI. But mostly it was me actually just walking around and not knowing what to do with myself, and just asking people what they would need from me. So yeah, let's go to my GitHub. And yeah, my buddy Kuba, and there's two Kubas I'm working with, just on different projects. One is actually making a page, Pixels and Logic, which we call Pixels and Logic. So this is we call it it's an agency, a digital agency that we'll try to launch over the next few days. And what I will do, I will obviously talk about it here. And we've got like some couple of unique ideas how we can actually sell ourselves as a product, you know. So let's just copy that, and I will show you how this page looks now. I will do some, because this is Kuba actually who did most of it. So I think it's quite good. Pixels and Logic. And here, let's just git bash here. Yes, git clone paste. Ooh, this is obviously unnecessary, and it's always doing that to me. Pixels and logic already exist, not empty directory. Okay. Good morning, Alex. What's my pixels and logic folder here? Oh, okay. So I already have this actually here. So let's just open git bash here, code, and see if this is this a website that we can work with? So that's a main. Oh, okay. So that might already be the pixels and logic project that I'm talking about. I will leave the stream running in the background while I work. Okay, good. If it relaxes you, I like that. You know, I will be showing stuff and talking about it. And yeah, so I don't know. Okay, cool. Yeah, nice to see you, Alex, and thanks for you know your engagement. I think that's also useful. I think YouTube will like it. And I will like it, obviously. And if you have some questions, whoa, this is so nice here. This is where I live. Again, I know I showed you, Alex, so I think you might appreciate that. Okay, let me just show you. It's a freezing out there. Let me see. It's freezing out there, but if you look actually there in the background, this is the view from back of my garden. There is a balloon, like one of those big, I don't know how to call them, like the ones. Oh, let's just make it bigger. That's as big as I can make it. See, there is like one of those balloons where you can like go and fly around. So it's freezing out there. It's like -10 or maybe -8, wherever. And it's actually flying out there, which is really nice view, I guess. That's something that my wife has sent me. So yeah, obviously nice. Let's see how nice is my pixels and logic project. So maybe it will compete with that view. CD bundle website. I don't know what bundle website means. That's probably a name that I gave it a while ago and no one changed it since then. pnpm. Let's see. pnpm install. Yeah, big balloon that can carry people. Yeah, that's how I think this is the professional name. This is the real name that they use. Yeah. How are they called, those balloons? Let's see. While my project is installing. 4K people. How is it called? Like, this is a task for my AI. See, like now AI. Hot air balloon, gas balloon. They always call also airship. Hopper. Oh, Hopper, cool. It's cool. Like in Stranger Things, there's Hopper. Although I heard the latest Stranger Things sucks, and I didn't watch it yet. Maybe I will watch it one day. Hot air balloon. Yeah, I think this is the most that can carry people. Yes, big air balloons that can carry people is my name, which is probably gonna from now on. This is how English-speaking world will name them. We can expect that. So let's get back to my project. And there was a developer, like great developer, Kuba, who worked on it. Well, this guy, yeah, maybe we can see him even bigger. How can we see you bigger, Kuba? I think it's here. How can we see big Kuba? Oh, maybe here. Yeah, this is big Kuba. Yeah. We met on Hackathon and he did a great job there, I think. Although they didn't win, but he impressed me. And then I was actually recommending Kuba in my last job for a developer. Although he was a bit more junior than I expected, and like he didn't want to do he wasn't junior in testing, but he didn't want to do testing. He wanted to do development. So this is where he decided to go. Like he preferred to go, and maybe that's better that he didn't go there. Better for him, better for me. Oh, I don't know. I would get nice bonus, I guess, but like maybe that would be yeah. Maybe the bonuses are not always the most important. Although, you know, sometimes it's nice to get big bonuses. So for today, like Planero Online is gonna wait because I'm working on this video where I'm talking about how it's actually how it's being done, but like I think that this one will be my primary focus for today. And while I'm getting annoyed all the time by this this thing. So let's just upgrade already PNPM. So like and I think that you have to go npm, not PNPM. Upgrade. Oh, npm, no. Install. Yeah, let's just do this. I know. It's not gonna change anything, but I don't really like those messages. Okay, so now my PNPM is the latest one. PNPM dev. I think is it dev or start? Probably dev because it's on Vite. Next.js. Oh, it's on Next.js. Okay, so it's server side this time. Let's see our website. And like today, my goal is let's just write down my goals. For me, oh, I like that actually. See, this is what Kuba did. I like that. So there's some people here, digital people, that really, that play with those. I think they can play with those. We actually had this as idea, and I think it's pretty cool. And this is saying, let's just turn it to English. AN. We build modern web applications, front-end, back-end, databases, integrations, full-stack development. Yeah, that's what we do, because we are so cool. Choose your package. Ooh. And now, because this is obviously a tiny bug, so let's just fix this bug. So I've just pressed on English version, and it redirected me to Polish version. See, like I have to flip to English now. We've got testimonials, and this doesn't. Oh, this is another thing I don't like. That technologies don't go. It doesn't go to technologies, and it doesn't go to service. Although it goes to contacts, so we know that this redirect functionality works. We've got also colors. Nice, dark if you are actually in the viewing it at night, and bright if you are like one of those people who work at day. A vampire version and a real normal people version. And we've got this, although like, see, I was just on the English version, so I was on English, and then, oops, I go back to Polish version. Oh, although like I was on English here, and it's English here again. So I think like there is something not, as we call it in Poland, something not yes, in Poland we say to jest nie tak. This is not yes, basically, to indirect translation. Obviously, and those are actually our products so far. And Planero is just like something that, placeholder. I will have to place something in this placeholder. Although this is a project, this is my project. And, this is probably now where it should be redirecting. So yeah, this is redirecting to Lex Hippica, that's fine. And this should go to Planero. And I've got another actually project which I will display here. And this button is not necessary here if we don't have all of them. So I think like I will actually make 3 tabs here. And yeah, but like this is a nice website. I think Kuba has done a good job. Yeah, like interactive here, these people, those fake people here, I like them. And it says, we are building, so let's see what it says. We are building modern web applications. Although this is in 4 lines and this is in 2. So we can see that there's some shift here. And yeah, it doesn't hold the languages, which is obviously a small pain. But we'll get there. That's not really that hard. And I think this is already working quite well. So my tasks for today is, okay, fix language thing. I've got so many. Okay, I don't need to do this. To-dos. This is not necessary. I hope I don't really have any secret keys here. Discover Planero. Okay, let's not use this one. Translations. Yeah, this is for, luckily, this is nothing to worry about. Okay, I will just open it on the other screen, and let's okay. For now, let's just have a new to-do. And this is to-dos for pixels and logic. To-dos for pixels and logic. And once I'm done actually with this website, I will do another cool thing. I will publish it obviously to a server, which I already have. And also another thing that I will do is I will start promoting this page. So it will basically, we've got this MVP idea in 5 days, but it's also in a price. It's a good price, I think. It's quite cheap, maybe not that cheap, you know. I mean, it's 10,000 zlotys, which is 2,500 euros. And there's a obviously sale. Although I might actually add another package. I think I will add another package where we also create your it's not only this page, but we will also create your sales page, just like we did in Planero, or I will do in some other products. Yeah, so that's something that I will want to do as well. And sorry for looking at my phone. I'm just making sure that everything is fine with this stream, because sometimes I open it on my phone and then I realized, ooh, I didn't really see that coming, or maybe my audio doesn't work or something silly like that. Shit, where's my, how do I, yeah, let's just go here. No, sorry for that. I will be talking in a minute. Oh, I forgot to play music. I think the music is the key feature here. That's why people come here, because they want to listen to the same music, the same Polish folk music, which I play until I get really bored of it. And I think that's not that far away from today. I think like I'm quite close to that moment. And I will have to look for maybe some other folk music. Alex, do you have any ideas? Like what sort of folk music? I think like I was actually in Greece a couple of years ago, or in Crete, and then I was making like a video for, you know, for the video, and like I was picking some music, some local folk music from Greece, and it was really nice actually. I think you have some really interesting music in Greece. And I obviously chose Zorba for one of those because I had like 3 videos. So one of them was the Zorba thing, and 2 of them were actually a bit more niche, you know, less known. So yeah. And actually Greg Zorba was recorded on a beach where we would actually go out to quite often. Like we realized later that it was actually the same beach that the movie that we never watched was actually recorded. And then I watched actually part of it where it was actually on that beach, and like it was, because it was recorded like 50 years ago, it was like really empty, and now it's much more touristy, obviously. But yeah, I think you didn't come here for me to talk about my Greek or like my trip to Crete, which is really nice actually. But I will show you actually the Crete the Crete part that I went to. Creta, we call it Creta, and we went, actually very nice place, I must say. Like I want to go there back again this year maybe. I just need to get some income. That's probably something that I'm missing now. I mean I have to get income obviously. And we went here, and there was this cave that we didn't actually visit, but we would go. Yeah, this is the beach actually, very nice. Rose, I love rose. I don't know what's rose actually, but probably I would love it too. How do I open like a map? Maps, Google. It's actually rose. Ella Phoenice. Okay, yeah, I don't know what this rose. What's rose? Is it on Crete? No. Oh, is this music? Sorry, Crete. Okay, I just wanted to show. I mean local music. No. Also like I will use like. I can show you my videos later. They're fun. Okay, so we would go to this beach. Very nice. Like one of the best beaches I've been to actually. or maybe it's the best beach I've been to. I've been to also to Elefonisi beach on the other side of the island. We drove there through the mountains, and it was spectacular. Although it was very windy. So here it wasn't that windy because it's in like I don't know how we call it, lagoon. Yeah, it's like a lagoon. I think that's how they're called. And you can go there and really enjoy yourself. And there's the cave here at the top. There's the cave that's supposed to be really fun, but we didn't go there. We actually went to this monastery here in the mountains. We walked there. I think it's here. Yeah, we went there. Was it this? No, this looks much cooler. No, we went to like smaller one, somewhere. Oh, this is actually... I think we went... No, not here. Wow, we should have gone there. But we went here, I think. Yeah, that was the one. Yeah, it doesn't look so fun, but... Yeah, okay, that's my trip to Crete. Okay, let me also show you Elefonisi beach. So we drove through the mountains here, and I think it's here, is it? No, that's not here. Elefonisi, where the hell is Elefonisi? Elefonisi beach, I think that's the one. Oh, here. So it's like you walk through here, and the water there is like knee high. Like it doesn't. Oh, okay. There's just people on the. Let's see this picture here, basically. Yeah, so it's very like a beautiful, and there's like a pink sand and stuff. Very nice, beautiful. Although it was very windy at the time. So. Back to the pixels and logic, obviously. That's what you probably wait, or maybe you were actually waiting for me to talk about my trip to Crete. This could use a background, I think. Build your MVP in 5 days, or you don't pay. Services, technologies, contact. Okay, a couple of things don't work, but I think that more important. Okay, what I will do now, I will do to-dos for pixels and logic. 1, pix languages. 2, although I think the most important is deploy. Deploy. Connect. Domain. Fix languages. Fix redirection. So like when you click on the menu, fix, menu. Yeah, some of them don't work. Okay, and I think that's it, you know. I think that's a really nice page. Oh, and actually maybe add placeholder, and testimonial for Planero, or just add Planero, and I will just say that it's internal product. Maybe I will not call it testimonials, to be honest, and just our portfolio. Oh no, it says chosen products. Add Planero description, and what's the name of the other one? Pattern market. Add pattern market. This is another product I'm making, and I will be making like 2 more. I mean, it's so fun. Although like I'm just talking to people, so that's I'm talking to people who will work with me, and some of them are obviously busy with studies and stuff. So I'm just throwing ideas to people and talking about them on my live streams, and trying to actually get them together. I think this is more fun. I actually realized quite recently, maybe in last like year, I realized that I enjoy actually project management much more than programming. That's a big discovery for me, because I used to think that I'm a programmer, obviously, and I like those problems. But I actually like even more talking to people, and this is something that I probably can do much more good than in programming, because I don't like I don't know. I stopped actually giving a damn about like the latest and greatest technology stuff. I stopped caring about that. You know, I think it's boring to me. Like it seems like the changes are so minuscule, so little. For example, React, it's just changing in the background. You know, you almost like, yeah, they are removing more than adding now. Like, you know, they just made this trans something or something that actually converts files into JavaScript. So they just realized that's quicker. And you don't have to do like some of memorization and callbacks and stuff. And we used to do those callbacks. Like when there is something broken in the app, if you don't really know what's wrong, you do callbacks, and like you don't know, it might work better or not. You never know. Welcome, guys. Like I can see that there's more and more people coming. I mean, not that many yet, but I think we're gonna have some good number. How do you like how do you like okay, what do you think about promising MVP in 5 days or 5? Okay. Great idea. Stupid. Start the poll. Okay. Yeah, so that's my idea actually. I think that's you know, you either you pay us 2,000, you know, wherever 10,000 zlotys Polish or like $2,500, or like maybe 3 if you want to have starter page, and we promise you that we make it or you don't pay. And you think it's a great idea, okay, or just stupid. Yeah. I feel like it's okay. Let me not. This is obviously my idea, so I will actually be talking that it's great. It's the best thing ever. But you might actually not agree with me. I don't know. I don't mind when people don't agree with me. Okay, technologies. Okay, let's just go. So this. Wow, this is so cool. They even changed the colors. Those people, those cool people. Kuba, if you are watching, you did nice. Although this PLPL makes no sense. USN. Okay, that's PLPL. USN. I think we'll just change the N. Like US is country, English is a language that is used in England and US. So I think it just makes sense to have it that way. Let's start deploying this thing, because I think that's what we really want. And what I will do again, and because I'm a big into writing. Okay, I do have my, although it's next. I don't know how to deploy next now. I'm a you know, I didn't work on next product yet. I've never actually released next app. I kind of looked into it and I've played with it, but I never actually released one. So I probably will have to learn it now. Which one was actually? I shouldn't play. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, let's start doing that actually, because I've got the server, which is some home.pl. It's a cheap server, and I've got my let's see if I can actually log into it. Oops, maybe not this one. This one maybe. Yeah, okay, so that's the password, which you didn't see obviously because I'm not that stupid. You mean local music? Okay, what is MVP? Oh, it's MVP. Oh, what is it saying? MVP here? MVP, minimum viable product. viable product, minimum viable product. So it's basically like the most basic version of a new product with just enough core features to be usable, allowing a company to launch quickly, gather real user feedback, and validate its core concept with minimum effort and investment before building out a full-fledged project. Its main purpose is to learn what customers fully need and want, preventing wasted resources and undesirable features by testing assumptions early. Oh, sorry. Ooh, that's a... Yeah, obviously. It's a great idea, and I already got MVP. And Paul, sorry. Thanks for letting me know that. 50. So I got... Okay, and... okay, let's start again. Let's start this again. Start the poll. And it's obviously MVP. Thank you. Hi, Mohammed. And so it's great. Idea. Okay. And stupid. Yeah. MVP. Thank you for that. That was a good call. So now, so we had like one good and one okay. So I think like, you know, yeah, great idea. That's the one. Yeah, you agree with me. Okay then, like it's like, isn't it like really late at where you are, or like super early? No, it's late. You are in Minneapolis, do I remember correctly? Channel activity. Where are you? Yeah, okay, it doesn't show me that. Where are you? Yeah, okay, I don't remember. You're East Coast somewhere, aren't you? Nah, I don't know where. Well, I was asking for it. It's 2 a.m. Yeah, that's fun. Looks like... not sleeping though. Yeah. Good. I can see that you're enjoying your life. That's good. That's important, I think. Although sleep is nice as well. Okay, I've got actually this domain here, which I've got a server and a couple of domains that I bought here. So I've got this one. Colorado, yes. Okay, Colorado. I obviously don't know where's Colorado. I think, okay, it's like more central. As they call it, flyover countries, yes? Although I think like I would actually like those places more than the coast, I think. I've never been to US, so I have to try, but I like, you know, I like the fact that you can shoot guns in your... I don't know if you do like that, but it's cool. We can't have weapons, which is obviously safer, maybe, I don't know. There are different stats. But, oh, Colorado Springs. I heard about this, yeah. Pikes Peak. Okay, so that's Aspen. Okay, so this is where you are. Denver. Okay. I'm educating myself, obviously. Because we don't learn how US looks. We know how Europe looks. Because it's our states of Europe. It's right along the Rocky Mountains range. Okay, let's just see that. Rocky Mountains. Oh, I mean the Colorado, obviously. Colorado, Rocky Mountains. Oh, okay, they're here everywhere. Maroon Bells. Ooh, this is nice. Mount Elbert, yeah. Pikes Peak. Pikes Peak. Oh, this is like a really annoying with Google Maps now. Now you can just go from here. Yeah, if I want to like go to this map, I can't. Because I think they like some sort of law that they had to implement. I'd rather just like click on it and open it in full map. Okay, so let's just do maps, Google. So we do geography today. Yeah, my brother lives in Norway and he has also like mountains in his backyard, basically. Really nice. Pikes Peak. Okay, so there's a... Let's see how it looks like from... Nice. I love mountains, actually. I love mountains. I would actually enjoy that. Let my Planero make me some money. I might actually fly there. Would be nice. And this is good. This is cool. Motorcycles or wherever, anything that you just to drive there. I think you are actually living in a really nice place, my friend. Where I am, it's flat. It's nice, but it's flat. Okay, that's if it's gonna make you happier, then good. I think I would actually prefer that, you know, if it's too hot for me, it's... Or maybe not, I don't know. Nice. Nice place, actually. So, yeah, if you move to Florida, it will probably be good as well. You will... That place is flat, yeah. So yeah, in my opinion, very nice place. I hope you actually... Well, but probably I heard good things about Florida as well. Like, it's kind of crazy according to what I heard, but also really nice. Okay, I wanted to actually do my deployment to this. So I think I just have to create like FTP and then like build the files with like scripts. Where's my FTP? Where do I do FTP here? It's obviously, it's only in Polish. Sorry for that. I would love to actually show you this, like, this amazing service. It's amazing because it's cheap, basically. But where the hell is this? Użytkownicy, services. Oh, this is the one. Can I just run it? How do I do that? Okay, I think I can do FTP here. Let me just translate it to English so you actually it's not totally lost on you guys. So I've got this domain which I want to actually deploy. It's but it was cheap, so like I bought this just for that. Database. Okay, I've got some database. Oh, FTP accounts. Is this account for create? Okay, so I think that's an account for all domains. Okay, pixels and logic. Let's have this one. And yeah. Is your project live? Depending which one. I've got a couple of projects. So like some of them are yes. Some of, like for example, this one I just want to make live. Because I want to start promoting it and selling it as a product. Because I've got this idea of MVP in 5 days. So, and I've got a bunch of developers that I could work with on it, and like AI, obviously. So if someone needs to build like MVP, I can actually do it quickly and cheaply. And, you know, that's why I'm actually trying to promote it. I just want another income stream, basically. And I want to help those guys as well. Obviously, I'm greedy myself, so I just want to make money myself. But I want to actually help other guys as well to make some money. But yeah, as I'm saying, like if I actually, my goal is to get out of working, not work for corporations anymore. So if this one will actually get me some money and some Planero money and some other stuff, the delivery service, yes, it's out. It's actually, you can go there and test it, run it, you know. It's Planero online. And if you go to this section, you can sign up for free and test it. It will redirect you to my sign up page, and then it will just you can test it there. Yeah. So password. Okay, let's not show it to people because it's a selected catalog. Do I? No. Backup copy. No, I don't need to backup. Do I? I might need to. What do you do for day job? Currently, I'm actually free to do whatever I want. And so my day job is doing this, basically. So I'm doing those projects that I want to start monetizing. we have also with my wife, let me just show you what we do. Okay, so I have a job still-ish, but I can't talk too much about it. And I've got also this, this is actually something that my wife is doing workshops, like, and we want to, like, so she does this handcraft, is it called? And I have to finish this website properly. And we've got like this this place in our garden that she does those things. So this is part of our income, and I think she's doing better and better now. And so I need to finish this website soon. It's WordPress, but it's kind of shit. So this is one of the ways I'm actually trying to stay afloat. I have maybe not lots of savings, but I've got enough savings for like 6 months. So that's also what I'm. Although, like, I'm also kind of applying to jobs-ish, you know, so I might actually get one for a while now. Although I'm not, I don't know, it's just for security, you know. I just want to make sure that, you know, we have some income with my family. So that might actually be happening, but I will actually drag it as long as I can. Like builder shops in your garden. It's not a builder, it's for like, you can do like those things that like, this is a out of hay, or like you can make those, we were making those stars that in Poland are actually for the Christmas, like after Christmas, you know, on 6th of January, people can walk with those and just sing like the Christmas songs. We are not very religious, but whatever, it doesn't matter. So we were making workshops about them, and we made about this. I don't know how to open more info. So they're called like spiders out of hay. You make them, yeah, crafts. So, you know, we are trying to sell that, and this gets us somewhere, you know, currently. So this is some income. But also, like, I want to start, yeah, if I make some money on that, that's gonna be great. So I will actually start selling this as a product, obviously. So, you know, we're gonna be selling like development time to companies. And obviously there's Planner, which is not making any money, which is generating, you know, which is not generating money, but generating expenses currently, but not that much. But I'm actually hoping to start selling Planner as well. And there is also a bunch of other projects that are actually further down the pipe, but they will be built over the next few months. And I hope I can actually do it this way. So, like, instead of having one job that, you know, produces lots of money, I'm planning to do like lots of small income streams. And like maybe at some point, I think like I'm also working on this YouTube things that might actually start paying a bit. I think I'm not that far from monetizing here as well. So I think this might actually be a good stream, but you know, we will see. I think like I'm trying to get as many ways as possible. I think that's even more fun, you know. Like it's actually easy to go to like a safe corporate job, you know, when they pay you every month, and but then you have to be quiet, you know, if you actually see something wrong and you want to complain at you know, or just like say that you are doing something stupid and it might actually hurt your manager, you can't do that, you know. And this is silly, you know. I don't really like those things. So I would rather actually just decide myself what I'm building and what's good, and bring people that I actually enjoy working with, and work on like really fun stuff like this, you know. For example, this is fun. I like to build the MVPs. I like to build small projects in React, wherever, Node, Next, wherever, you know, we grab. It's really fun to build them quickly. This is the most fun part, actually. So that's why I'm actually trying to advertise it. Although, you know, some of the clients might actually stay longer if we do a good job. So obviously this is fun, much more fun than like building something in a job where you do it for like 6 months and nothing is really built. It's just like lots of meetings and like whatever, and time burning. And I think I lost my thread. So let's get back to this, because I just realized, okay, I'm supposed to be working as well. So yeah, and I talk a lot, which obviously is not making me money. Hopefully at one point it will. Okay, let's just send this. Where is it going to be sent? Okay, so it's here. This value entered is what? It's, oh, okay. Is it office? Do we have an office at? Yeah, I think that's send. I don't know if I have this email, but I will create it if needed. So I'm just creating like FTP so I can connect to it. And I think it's being created now, yes? See, they're shooting them. It's like people used to shoot, you know, themselves. Or maybe not. This is about like two guys falling in love in this girl. And the one was kind of poor and this one is kind of wealthy. But this one was honorable and the other one was just a dick. And he kind of runs away now for some reason after shooting the other guy. But that's probably why I'm just waiting for this to start. What does it mean that it's... What is this status meaning? Okay, I think I can... Oh, I don't want to access entire server here, so... No. Pixels and logics. Pixels. Okay, I don't think we have this. I have to create a catalog there. So I have to actually maybe log into the main FTP. Do I have like a main FTP here? The navigating here is not the easiest. Let's translate this thing again. I've got like main account. Sure, okay. Okay, so I have this one. Okay, I can work with that for now. So let's just go to... Do I have any FTP clients? Or git bash, is it? No, git bash not. I need like some sort of fire... what's the one for FTP? No, it's not Firefox. It's... FTP client. Let's see what clients I can get. FileZilla, yeah. FileZilla server client, okay. Download the free one. No purchasing. Yeah, and now I expect people to purchase my thing. Maybe one day. I just need to convince them, I guess. Okay, FileZilla. I agree. Oh, I like that 3 people are voting. That is a great idea. How about recording your project build process and sell it Skillshare or Udemy? Yeah, I'm thinking about that. I will do that. I will do that within a month, let's say. This is actually something I really want to do. This would be about like how to build it quickly, like how to build your SaaS very quickly with all the shortcuts that are available. And I think I'm pretty good at that. You know, as I'm saying, like I'm not that great anymore with like what's the latest in the code, so I don't really care about that. But I really play a lot with those AI tools now, and like, you know, I play a lot with Canva and play a lot with, you know, 11 Labs or wherever, you know, anything that is actually shortening your way to the market, I'm actually doing now. And this is actually, I think that I could actually do pretty good job at explaining in like an hour or two course. So I will actually do that. And Mohammed, I think that's a great idea, and I will do that. What build process like you will watch? Yes. So this will be just like a quicker way, because I'm sort of showing everything here, but it's obviously like me talking about my trip to Crete, and you know, talking to you guys, to Kaden, about how nice are the Rocky Mountains in US. So probably that's not the quickest way to learn, but I could actually get it down to like an hour or two and then throw it on Udemy and like advertise on it. I think that this is, you know, this is something I can do quickly. And even like this agency thing, we've actually created, okay, I gave it away to Kuba, who is actually a developer, but like, you know, you can find people to actually help you with that, as long as you just share with them your profits, and you know, you are open to actually give some of it away. If it's just like, you know, I'm trying to make as much money as possible, then then it's obviously not gonna inspire people to work with you. But like there are lots of people that would love to actually join some project that needs some experience and needs some money, that would love to actually work with you. And that's another way to actually do it. And if and I have plenty of experience to sort of speed it up and help them. And not, and it's not like I'm only thinking about how to help everyone around. I'm thinking about myself as well. And I think this is actually like the most valuable now for me is actually trying to pull as many people as possible into projects. I think this is actually something that will actually make me most money. It's not about me just doing like building everything myself, or taking everything on me, like all the project earnings and stuff. I think it's more about sharing. Although like I'm trying to pull people that I can see that they have like a drive, that they want to actually run things. And for example, here Kuba, like I work with Kuba on two things. On first one, he was a bit more passive, I think, and he did good job, but he was more passive. And here he was super active, and he did most of that himself. So I didn't have to run, tell him a lot how to do it, and he did quite a lot of himself. And he created, like, he did this cool thing, and he had some good ideas here. So this is actually where I'm trying to actually pull people with initiative as well. Because many tools that make people process faster. Yeah, already. And the flow, what is first and what last, like. So yeah, I think I can actually help with that. So how to build your product, how to build a sales page, how to get it selling. That's actually something that I can actually do quite quickly, with lots of like dirty tricks that will actually bypass quite many problems, like that will actually get you much quicker to that market. So instead of like trying to think too much about how to do best sales, I just do the quickest and dirtiest solution. That is actually good. It's not like the optimal, but it's quick, so it will get you quick to the market. And then if you feel like, if you make money and you feel like you have to actually invest more time into making say this payments thing more efficient, you can actually spend time on it, and you can spend a couple of days. But it's mostly about how to get your product out there. And like once you are out there, you can actually start tinkering on things and making them better. But like, for example, like even like in my Planero, this video I'm not 100% loving. I think it's 80% there where I would like to have it. I think, for example, this stuff I could present better. I could present nicer, like make better effects and stuff. But this is just 5%. This is extra 5% that I would like to have, but I'd rather have actually this video out there without those extra 5%. Because this is actually doing 95% of job that I wanted to do. And if I wanted to put another 5%, I would spend probably like 3 times as much time. So it's often about cutting the corners and trying to get there quicker. And if at one point I will think that this video is not doing the job as well as I want to, and I will have 3 days to spend on it instead of 3 hours, I will do that, but probably not. It might turn out that, I will actually focus my efforts on some other video or some other marketing materials, or maybe on blog, or maybe on calling people directly. I don't know. I think this video is 95% done. It's my 95% ready. So I will just keep it as it is. Probably this is most likely how it's gonna end up. But if someone is not comfortable with, if someone has a product like this and is not comfortable with video that he initially launched, he can redo it later. As long as the app is out there. Yeah, so that's how I see it. That's my philosophy on design. And like it's probably because I spent so many years already in different corporations or different companies where we would be building and making stuff for months and years even, and not even launching it. Like we were just burning time, and this is actually so common in different corporations. Oh, this is actually one of the things that my wife is doing, if someone is interested. And she's selling those. Very beautiful. This is a handmade, and like it takes her, many hours, but it's very beautiful, I think. This is just And she obviously sends it in nice boxes and stuff, and she has plenty of those. But yeah, this is beautiful. This is like traditionally Eastern European. So this is another way we are trying to make money. This is another way we are trying to not to go to corporations anymore, not to, you know, just make it our own on ourselves. And it doesn't always have to be an app. It can be other stuff. You could actually sell physical things if you know how to make them, if you make them nicely, and then if you advertise them. And with my wife, we are doing it already for a year. Those sort of handcraft courses when she's doing it, and like recently we figured out how to actually quadruple amount of people that come to the workshop. So that before we used to have like 2 people, you know, last year, and like even earlier this year, and we just realized recently how to get like how to spend less time on social media. So we make simpler videos and simpler pictures that actually generate us like 3 or 4 times more views and people. And we also pay, we actually also started better because we pay for promotion, obviously, but it's actually, we are just adding to advertising. So, but we figured out that, you know, if we double what we spend, so we used to spend like $10 on promotion, now we spend 20 or 30 maybe even, or maybe triple. But because there is more, like like 5 times more people, we actually, you know, we are making multiple times more on sales, and just by, you know, with much less effort. So that's actually pretty cool. So it's not SaaS, but it's also like a nice way to make money. Quite many people, like 6 people. That's nice. Good to see you guys and girls, maybe. I get 5% of viewers, female viewers. So that's a. Hey Kuba, good job. Yeah, I'm trying to get it out there. So thanks for building this. Kuba has built it here. I like your effort here, and we will actually try to make money on it. I hope we can. So I will try to get it to the domain. So I want to deploy it, connect the domain. That's for now. There's something about languages that when you actually, I think there's a bug here. When you, for example, choose your project here, it's like I had the English and now it's back to Polish. So this is a minor thing, but like obviously that's something that I will fix, or maybe you will fix. Many redirections, some of them don't work. I think there's just naming changes. That's my guess. Add planner description. That's something I will have to get. Add pattern market. Oh yeah, there's another project, pattern market, which, you know, we can promote. So this is something, you know, it's obviously now on Vercel, which is loading for a bit. If someone opens it, he might actually not like it. Oh, good. Push the fix. Thank you. Do that. Oh, so good. I will actually, it's not going to be on my list. You actually made it. Thank you. That's why it's actually cool to bring people into projects now. And I used to be much more greedy myself. I would do everything myself, and I think it's much more fun when there are people out there. Good, great. Yeah, if you can let me know which one. Like, are you fixing all of those? In those fixes, or no? Actually, you won't do this one because that's. Or you can actually make it. You can actually get this one. Okay, like if you can add this to the list, and maybe make three columns. That's another thing. And I will actually create a deployment pipeline similar as we used to have in Planero. So actually, let's go to Planero, to GitHub, because I will actually. Oh, I first I need to figure out how to do FTP here. So let's just do this one. So I've got like, is this main? What's this main for? That might be actually a good one. Backup, Planero mobile. No, that's not the one that I want to. That's on my old one. Okay, let's do my sites, new site, and this one will be pixels and okay, and large. Have to book a consu. I don't know what's consu. Friend. Yeah, okay, let's just do this one. I think I need to... 8 people, whoa! Welcome, guys. Oh, okay, Yasin. Using add-in. Okay, Udin. Hello. Okay, I had like really nice messages from guy yesterday, so I will actually... Yasim, I will... If you are here, I will actually respond to you later. I just need to get my FTP working and get this thing deployed. Because okay, let's just test this FTP. And the beauty of working here is like I get distracted all the time. Okay, so here we've got actually a GitHub deployment. Let me just see if there are no passwords here. And I will actually show you that deployment script if you are interested. No, it uses... So we have like a script that is actually checking if on this branch there is like if there are changes on the main branch, then this is like in this environment, deploy wherever, some actions, stuff to this directory, start to this directory, build things, install, build on web, and then wherever some variables. So that's actually something we used to have it working and deploying, although I now it's all on render. But I think I will actually rebuild this one for Planero. But this is actually also something that I can use similar for this project. Oh, okay. How do I close this? Like a close button? I didn't need Opera now. Okay, this will actually go on Pixels and Logic, but a bit later. I just need to test my FTP, which I'm obviously talking about. How that book a call option works. Are you using any database for that? A book a call. Where is okay, on Pixels and Logic here. Is it this one? Schedule call? No, it doesn't work. This will probably have to do this. I don't know. Kuba, any ideas how we're supposed to make it? Or maybe we'll just have to figure it out. Currently, it's not working. So we will have to give it some sort of functionality. And soon we will. Email, no, okay. Oh, okay. Schedule. No database, yes. We might, yeah, I'm pushing the schedule call. Okay, ooh, nice, nice. Good job, good one. Good one. Okay, not this one. Okay. What's the FTP here? Jesus, I'm getting so distracted today. Home. So here I want to check my FTP details. Yes, so that's my first thing. That's fine, we will publish it anyway, and then like when we are happy with that, we will just start selling it. So don't worry, let's just keep on unbugging it. And like, for example, like for me, it's more important now to actually deploy it and have a website and then like tinker on it than first fix everything and then you know, deploy. I think it's much better that way. Oh, contact at Pixels and Logic. Okay, so that's the one. But okay, usługi typu www. Opcje. It's translated, so all my fans worldwide can actually read it. See, like this is fun. Like we are actually working on a project. Like it's teamwork now, online. Teamwork online. So no database. Oh yeah, this one. Show all. What's WebFTP? Oh, okay. That's a nice feature, I think. Okay, this is just. Oh, let's create a folder now. New directory. New directory name. Pixels. And logic. Let's create this new directory. Nice. So we have one here. We actually have one here also for the same thing somewhere maybe. But I don't like it, and it's in WordPress, and I don't want it in WordPress. So, okay, we're gonna use this one for this FTP, which is good. I can hear my kids crying, so probably I might be called up soon. Have an app script that automatically fill the option in Google Sheets and send confirmation mail to both sender and receiver. That's nice. That's a nice script though. Can you share it with me? Can I have it? Oh, this is actually contact. Password is... yeah, that's the one. And I think this is the one. Selected catalog, is it? Yeah, this one. Yeah, and like send... Mailbox name contact already exists. Okay, yes, I know that it exists. So do I have to create a new one? Okay, Office. But this one doesn't exist, yes? Error occurred while changing the FTP account type. Please try again and contact customer service. Well, who is the customer service then? If you can send it... okay, how you can share it actually? Pixels and logic. Send. Okay, I don't know now. Let's FTP account. Connect to FTP server. Okay, let's see that. Kuba is asking if he should join GitHub. Yeah, if you can send it to me, I will. Yeah, let's just figure out. Okay, I will. Oh, I can probably invite Kuba here. So we have a Kuba here. Remove, report, pin a message, go to channel activity, add as moderator. Do you wanna be managing moderator? Yeah, let's do can review and remove chat messages. Okay. Change chat modes in live and also has standard mode. Can I do that? Like, are you gonna join this then? Can you? I don't know how to do it, Kuba. How to invite you? Like that's a. Do you have a Discord on LinkedIn? Yeah, I do have a LinkedIn actually. LinkedIn. That's my LinkedIn. Oh, I see that free votes. That it's a great idea. That's good because before when I did this this poll with NVP without except like instead of MVP, when I used N here, there was one okay. So this time it's someone had a. It's either this person didn't vote again, or he thought about this idea again and he said, okay, this is a great idea. I should vote yes. It's a great idea. Okay. Live webinar, planning your workload. What's this? Standard buttons, parent head. I don't know what she's even doing. Okay, maybe. Let's see. You know, joining those webinars can be fun actually. Planning your workload, identity, roadmap, standards, patterns, and path ahead. I don't know. Okay, maybe it's a good one. Doesn't matter. I don't know how to invite you, Kuba. I'm sorry. Unless because I'm using OBS, can I invite people here? Maybe. I think they're using like the StreamYard or something. Scene collection tools, like other channels. I have to figure it out because I want to start bringing people into the my live streams, because this is even like and I don't know how to do it. I think this one is mainly for recording, yes. And if I want to invite people otherwise, I don't know. I will have to figure it out, because I want to, like, even some of you, it would be fun to actually bring you guys. Can I do create highlight video, start break, add stream marker? Yeah, I don't know how to do it. Yeah, that would be fun actually to work on the stream together. So we'll have to figure it out. Read what's up, bro. Okay. What's up? Go on. What's up? Wake up. It's taking ages. Okay. Wydawanie tej apki, ale Google Meet. Okay. Okay, let's just do Google Meet, Kuba. Yeah, I will send you the invite. New meeting. Create new meeting. Start in instant meeting. Yeah, that's the one. You guys can join anyway. Okay, it's gonna be add users. Okay, so if I share this one now, that's like a, you know, another layer on top of this layer. Okay. And oh, okay, my camera is used up, but I think I'm here anyway. So now it will actually show me Kuba now if he joins, and if the others join, like, that's gonna be fun, even more fun. I will actually make music a bit quieter, or maybe okay. I think it's fine. Yeah, it's my first multi-people stream. That's like a important day to remember. And we've got 6 people here, which is also good. Kuba, join me now. Oh, I had someone calling me. Okay, let me just have a quick call back. Be back in a second. And Kuba, if you join, yeah, we will work on it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, hi, man.
My phone. Sorry, just a second. Just 1 second.
Yeah.
1 second, Kuba. I'll be there. You can talk. Take over.
Okay. Hi. Okay. Yeah. Hey, guys. Hi to everyone. Okay. I can help you with this in OBS if you want, but we can do it later. Like now we can like improv.
Yeah. I think we can do it this way and improvise.
Okay, I will push right now the changes with this schedule a meet, or I don't know what's the name of this button, but yeah. So you can show like okay, I need to look at your screen because I don't know how you showing this.
Okay. Oh, yeah. I will
Yeah.
go to my
Oh,
local
okay. I'm okay. So you
machine.
can like
I can just pull it. If you just push it, I will pull it.
okay, but yeah, I'm talking about this. Like, you can share your screen with me or something like that, or maybe not. Okay, this.
Okay, that doesn't matter. We'll figure
I'm
it out
looking.
later.
I'm thinking about like how you can share also with my
Your
camera or
face.
something like that.
How to show your
But
face? I can show it here when you are actually showing, and then when I'm showing, I will show it myself, and then like
oh, okay,
you know.
okay, we don't need to even like show my face. So yeah, right now. Okay. I will. Okay, I will push. So wait for a second. Okay. Um.
Yeah, it's just like Caden here. You don't sleep that much recently, so I think I understand that you might feel. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. We spoke about
Ye-
the.
yeah. I was like, I was doing this Pixel and Logic website, and I have some problems with the, as you can see, with the scalable, this hero section
Yeah.
in. It's not scaling right, my system of the, and I'm reworking this right now, but yeah, also there's a lot of bugs, so
Yeah.
I need to fix.
But yeah. Okay. So what's wrong with this one? This
Okay,
is
I need
like
to
really hard. This is like really hard feature to pull off. So I'm not like. Okay, here it looks okay. They're just showing on
I
the
mean,
screen.
no, make a bigger scale or smaller. You
Okay,
will
let's
see,
just.
or you can join
Oh,
with
but don't
your.
don't do that. Don't worry, dude. Don't worry. Fuck
Yeah,
it.
but
Why would
okay,
you? Why'd you
okay.
worry about this? This is
Because when
fine.
I opening this on any other device like mobile or my 2K monitor, it's totally screwed up.
Okay, let me
But
just see
and
again. Wait.
this like intro for a movie. Okay, if
Yeah.
intro
Okay.
is you
This. Okay.
you don't
What
want
you
to
can
do.
do, you can just hide those people on mobile. That's it. Like.
Yeah, yeah. On mobile, right? Yeah, but I was just thinking about like doing maybe because it's hard to fix it for like 2K monitors or
Don't
or
worry. Don't worry about that. Just
okay.
don't be so perfect.
Fuck, man, I was
Yeah.
okay. I was doing this like I don't know for a couple of
It,
hours.
it
I
needs
was
to be
thinking about
readable.
this.
Like this is important. This is the part that is important. And those people just hide them if you have problems, or just like hide one of them.
Yeah,
I
you're
don't
right.
know.
You're right.
Yeah, wherever. Just don't worry. This like
Okay.
the thing is like on the mobile you can't really interact with those small things, so you could easily just like hide those people and just keep those buttons and just whatever. Just this is important. This is what we care about. And
Yeah.
and actually
Yeah,
no.
you're right.
Sorry, let me just tell you what's important. Now where is it?
Okay.
Where's the okay? Oh, it's here actually. The important thing is
Mm,
here. This is important.
okay, I don't have two monitors, so
Yeah, okay, this is important. And this is important. So they come and pay us. And they come and actually I mean, okay, so maybe the most important is obviously contact form. Yeah, I'm kind of joking
yeah.
about the price, like but the thing is like this is important bit. And wherever the responsive
Yeah,
thing on 2K monitor, fuck that, if someone
yeah,
can't see it, like we will fix it later.
yeah. Okay, I agree. I mean, yeah, I have this trouble that I'm
Yeah.
getting too like excited about this,
Like,
hero section. And
yeah,
I'm
like
trying to
I
fix it. Yeah.
let me just share my screen. Okay, not here. I will share my other screen on OBS. Can I? Okay, how do I do that? Where's the? Oh, okay, display capture. That's the one. No, the camera display capture. Let me just add another screen. Display capture, video. Where's display capture? Here. I will do main large screen. So I'll actually show my other screen now. Windows, is this one? No. How do I, like, okay. I just need to find automatic. Oh, this is my laptop. LG. Okay, so let me just share the screen instead of. Yeah, okay. So I'm sharing the other screen now. Yes. So I'm like trying to abuse your side. You know, I'm trying to do everything that the stupidest user would do, and I can't break it. I can't really make it that it's really horribly working, except like now maybe, but it doesn't matter. And like, okay, if on mobile, if I could do one thing, I would remove this button now, because I would rather like to.
Wait for a second, Maciej, because you are talking and I have like a delay, you know, and I'm not sure about what you are talking about.
Yeah, the MVP in 5 days, because this is a really important one. And choose your package. Basically, like just what we want to sell. So, for example, this button is now not important. And maybe even those buttons, because this button is really important.
Yeah.
So we want to emphasize on that, and the languages, maybe that's fine, you know. The thing is, like, when I will be directing people from English ad, we will be sending them to /en, you know.
Oh, okay.
And from Polish ad to /pl. And that's how we're gonna manage that. Other than that, yeah. Sense. So we don't really, like, once you are there, you don't really care too much about language selection. And like the I know you like your dark screen. I like it as well. I think it's really neat, but it's least important thing, unfortunately.
Yeah, you're right.
From the business perspective, we want to get people to buy it.
Yeah,
or to call us.
Something I need to like learn, because I see even in other projects that I'm a little bit sometimes a little bit how to say that
perfectionist. Yeah, I did that many times. I did it. So don't worry. Like I did it hundreds of times, where I would be fixing something that doesn't need fixing, basically. Or, you know, we could get away without fixing it, and then we can plan. We can add it to to-dos, which we will obviously move around for next 2 years, and then we'll delete it. So that's probably what's going to happen often, because it will not bother us. We'll find another problems to solve, and that might hopefully be more important problems than just like something that doesn't show on 4K monitor. I don't really care, you know. I mean, as long as this is showing, I don't really need this. I like it, but it doesn't really need to work 100% for any problem, you know, for any screen that there is. We don't really have to focus too much on, you know, as long as it kind of works and shows this message. And if someone sees this little less pretty, I can live with that.
Okay.
If they can't see this website, that's a problem, you know. If they can't send message here, that's a big problem. If they don't see a phone number because they don't see, that's a problem, you know. And I think it's with C, contact with C here, and it's not PL but EU. If this is wrong, that's a problem, you know. But if they can't really view it properly on 4K monitor, but it doesn't really cover this. But basically, as long as this doesn't cover that, and this is readable and visible, this.
Maciej, wait for a second, because you are talking about that, and I have this
okay,
delay, you know.
That's fine.
It's like maybe you can share with me the screen in Google Meet or something like that, and I will understand everything. And you can even show your screen that you are sharing. So this will be nice.
I don't know what I'm showing.
I understand. And also I push the changes, so you
cool.
You can put them.
Where is the? Okay, I don't know how to bring the call back here. Is it? Okay. Show my screen anyway. Okay. So I'm actually talking about this bit. Do you see my? Okay, that's probably up to date. Yes.
Yeah.
So as long as they can read this, and this has to be behind it, obviously. So if those buttons move, I think it's fine. Yeah, this is perfect. And he can poke her hair, you know. He can play with her hair here. That's creepy, obviously, but we don't really care. That's fine. It's a great website. I think you've done a good job, and like I wouldn't really. Don't put any more time into fixing that unless it's gonna cover this part. But like Like the important part is the contact details.
Text is like something that I have on my list that I need to like
Yeah.
some text I need to
Yeah.
I change. So yeah,
This needs to work.
okay. I mean this works, you know, like
Yeah, and like just we will have to like either you like just maybe do it in the first like first do those basic things first, like make sure the phone number is correct. And like other day I actually released something and I forgot to replace contact details and like website address and like and I was actually sending promotion to that because I wanted to like because I was focusing on something that was this wasn't showing correctly here, you know, and then I forgot to actually put like proper website address. So that's a bigger mistake. Let's just fix those things that are important, and then let's at the end let's just play with whatever layout.
You can send me those informations. Also, we need to like in the footer we can like change and also like create a LinkedIn website, you know. And,
cool. Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
So the website will be pixels and logic.eu. Email is contact@pixelsandlogic.eu. Yes.
Okay.
And phone number is my phone number. It's something I will send you on the side.
Okay.
Through WhatsApp. Yeah. You've got my phone number anyway, so like you could just put it there.
Okay, yeah. I will create some Notion to have all of this in there, and also like have the checklist, and I will share it with you.
Oh,
like,
now I'm I'm idiot. I wanted not to show the phone number, and then I actually wrote and showed it.
Okay.
Anyway, okay. See, like I'm making such a silly mistake, but yeah, make sure this is fine.
On stream it was, I think, maybe it was feasible. I'm not sure. Okay, yeah.
This is a nice website. Don't worry. Like I think just put contact details, and then we will worry about.
Yeah. Go and pull this because
let's just pull
what I'm building because it's still in work in progress.
Not
completed, but I will like complete it in. I think like I can even in an hour or something like that because I have some fixes, but it's. Most of the UI is actually most of them.
Okay,
is finished,
let's just pull it. Let's just pull the bastard. Pull. And yeah, okay, good. Let's see now. So that's the page. Accept your request to. Okay, yeah. Sorry, are you coming? Let's see. Where is the meet? Oh, I got lost actually now. Sorry, Mohammed. It will take me a minute. Like it's a slow process with me and that streaming stuff. Where is it? Here. Okay. Did you ask to be admitted? Because Mohammed is asking if I can.
I mean, what are you asking?
Mohammed is unable to message. Oh, okay, on LinkedIn. Okay, let's go to LinkedIn. Sorry.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I will do that. Although I didn't get anything. Are you sure it's me? Are you sure it's this guy, Mohammed? Do we have any Umbraco developers here? I've got contacted today by recruiter. Okay, whatever. I used to work on Umbraco, but doesn't matter.
Okay, I need to connect my second monitor because it's hard to work on one. Yeah, wait for a second. I'm back in 2 minutes.
Yeah, fine. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to show the page now. So let's go to localhost. Technologies, good. English, choose your package. Yeah, still the languages don't work. You have to, if you could fix it. So So if I'm on English version,
Yeah, I focused on the contact form,
mhm.
but yeah, I'm
Okay. So this will do what?
go to MVP. You can click on
Oh,
one of the
okay.
buttons.
Do I need to like install something? Yes, I do.
Oh, I see. Even like the language button is broken right now. Oh, okay, maybe
Yeah.
I didn't include some.
Just a second. I will install all the packages, latest packages, because
Okay, yeah, okay.
it was showing me some errors here, and
Maybe I pushed it. Maybe I didn't push something. I don't know. Right now. Okay.
ooh, so that's calendar. Okay, wybierz umów rozmowę. Okay, this is fine. I think, yeah, this one's supposed to work or not? Umów rozmowę? Or...
Yeah. I mean, I'm not sure because I like. Okay, okay. You already see it. Sorry, I have the delay, so I'm talking about like something in the past.
Okay.
I'm not sure where you are. Can you share with me your screen and I will be able to.
Oh, okay. Am I not sharing? I'm on.
No. I see this on your stream, but I have delay,
Okay.
so it's hard to.
Okay. So this is schedule a call. Yes.
Yeah, this calendar. Yeah, this was supposed to be background, but it got a little bit like yeah.
Okay.
Change the position. So yeah, we have like this calendar, so we can like change the. I mean, yeah, we need to like put here your name or your company name. After this, you need to like also share your email, and we can go further. Yeah, so here okay,
that's
it's
cool.
broken a little bit, but yeah, we have like creating
a calendar.
Scheduling calendar. Okay, scheduling, and I was thinking like maybe because you were talking about like phone call.
Yeah, that's fine.
So,
Could be.
I included yeah. So we have those two, and we can like choose the.
Although they would have to,
date.
they would have to leave their phone because it's better if we call them.
Yeah. Okay. You're right. Actually. Okay. So, I didn't. Yeah. Okay.
So if they,
I forgot about
if they choose this option, there should probably, there should be a box saying that put your phone number here.
Okay. Yeah. You're right. So yeah. So you can go further.
Yeah.
There is some. I'm not sure what's the. Okay. I'm working still on this, but yeah. You have some like.
Okay. Cool stuff. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. About the project and things like that, but it's not like it's not needed to go further. And also like
nice.
here's so details, and you can even like create your add this to your calendar or something like that, but I'm not sure yet if this works. I mean you're like you will like download one file that is creating scheduling this in your calendar or something like that. But yeah, I didn't test that yet. I mean, didn't test how this file works.
Cool. No, I think it's a cool feature. I think you're doing cool stuff here. So did you like create that yourself or what?
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, I'm freezing.
Yeah, I mean, I used some libraries, but
obviously. Okay. I didn't really expect you to define your own, email protocol or like HTTP protocol. You didn't have. I hope you didn't write your own front-end library for that.
No. Yeah, my own language,
Yeah,
also
your own
my
language.
own my own computer I built. So but I created this from scratch.
Cool.
Actually, for because I was thinking about Calendly, but this more fancy, So and also it was not like too much work.
Okay.
To be honest, and I will finish this. Like I can finish this in 1 hour, but I need to finish my breakfast. To be honest. And after that I can. So I will share with you the checklist that and you can like add there some things that I missed, So yeah, and I will work this on this like today.
Cool.
I will try to finish, but I see. Yeah, okay, I will finish this. Maybe not every fix, but I will do those main things like packages that you can you can choose, and
Mhm.
those contact details so you can deploy it.
Yep, cool.
Yeah. Okay. So I will probably need to go because yeah, I want to like finish my breakfast and like go and maybe fix some issues and do all this stuff I said to you right now. So yeah, yeah, much, but yeah,
No,
it's
yep,
cool stream, man.
cool.
It's
Thank you.
like
Yeah,
I
thanks for
really
coming.
enjoying the content you're making, and I also like I was trying to yesterday, but I didn't like had much time to start my own stream to when I was creating this website.
Yeah,
But I will try
do
today
that.
actually
Yeah,
because I yeah
do that.
yeah
It's fun. It's fun. Yeah,
yeah. So you inspired me to do that,
good,
you know.
good. I like to
Uh,
be inspirational to people, and but
yeah
just don't make it more popular than mine. Okay, that's
yeah
our
okay.
that's how
I will.
we have to have some agreement here. You know, just I don't want
Okay,
it to be
I
more
will ban
popular, and
people.
like
I will.
people that are watching, like if it's in the same time as I do, the people have to go to mine. So you have to first say to people, first go to Maciej, if and then come back to me. Okay,
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
that's how we're gonna do it. Otherwise,
We
you
can.
know,
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. We have agreement.
Otherwise, you are very encouraged to do it as long as it's not interfering with my podcast.
Yeah.
So
I will have moderator that will
yeah,
be banning people to not like you know to
yeah,
not yeah have more. So okay. So take care, man. And
yeah. Cool. See you
it
around.
was
Thanks.
nice to be on your team. Yeah. So see ya.
Cool.
See ya.
Yeah. See you. Thanks. Mohammed, can you check how it works using the link above? What's the link above? Problem with link. Oh, okay. Let's go to. Sorry, just like I'm catching up on Mohammed. Oh, now we have Mohammed here. Mohammed, yeah, open to work. Hey, sir. Sorry for auto-generated. Yeah, and it's in Polish. I don't know. Like it's kind of sending Polish messages, unless it's gonna get translated later. Okay, back to the stream. I think like back to FTP stuff. So Kuba has done some fixes and like he did some cool stuff. Oh, some fun. Although it's just spam. Yeah, no, it's not. Let's not pick phone calls with spam. Let's go back to my FTP stuff. Okay, what's this? What's this? Okay, back. So I have this as a FTP endpoint. Or okay, I think I can try to. You know, how do I go back here? Oh, maybe not this. All web server content. FTP permissions. Okay, like it's what's the okay, let's just try anyway, like let's just try FileZilla. And here I should have enough information for this, I think. So let's create new one. New site. My site's new site here. Pixels logic and the logic and host is something I have to figure out now. I think it's this one. Let's go back one up. So FTP accounts here. Show all access blocking. What's this? No, okay, not that. I think it's here. So I think this should be enough. FTP host. host, I think port 22 maybe, and login. That's user obviously, and then password. Let me just write it on other screen, so I'm not sharing crucial information, which I've done a couple of times, unfortunately, and then had to remove a podcast or blur something on the screen, and it's time consuming. It's much easier to do it this way. Let's see. Oh, I think I've actually, did I log in or not? Let's see. Pixels and logic. Establish connection, always perform this action. Could not connect to server. Are we somewhere incorrect? Show all. So you have this one. Status. I don't know what this status means even. Yeah, okay, so this is pixels and logic. Selected catalog. But now it's gonna break something. Okay, occurred FTP count. Please try again later or contact customer service. And that's kind of annoying now. See, like, I thought I can create it. Okay, so that's fine. So what's the... Maybe that's here. What's the login? Maybe that's the login actually. Connect. Are we there? Waiting for retry. Disconnecting. Could not connect to the server. Okay, so that's probably not the one. FTP. I don't know. Port. Let's just leave port empty. Sometimes it's fine to go empty. So probably, maybe that's not the one. Login details. So that's host, master FTP login. Master, can you log in? Oh, office. I don't know. Yeah, okay, background color. Let's see. Let's give it a background color of cyan. Normal, login type. Anonymous, no. I think that's the cool version. Let's connect. Waiting to retry. I think could not connect. Yeah. Oh! Connection attempt failed with no name. Neither no name or no server provided. No. Don't know. Okay, let's just do 22. I think that's the usual one. Don't know. Okay. Oh, okay. Ooh, I think I'm playing Lord of the Rings stuff, which will probably get me strikes. So I will have to remove that later, which is annoying because they often show it as royalty free for some reason, and then when I play it, they complain. Good. Check out my newest video. Why there is no views? Why are there no views on my latest vid? It's from yesterday. Although, like, if you were on the live stream yesterday, you would actually have seen that. No new shirts. Yes. Okay. I'm still working on shirts now. Okay, back to my FTP stuff. Because shit, I can't. Like, it's a funny thing. Like, you know, normally it's quite easy to do. And let's just do another one. Let's do Maciej Pixels and logic. Okay. Fine. Pix. Okay, slash pix and logic. I've got this directory. Let's send. In progress. Okay, I think we have it. Now. Edit. Maybe this one will work. FileZilla. Where's my FileZilla? No, I think I might have closed. Host. Pixels and logic. Let's just try to user matchy at pixels and logic. Yeah, is this my user or maybe it's the other one? Okay. That's a login according, or maybe this is a login itself. Maybe it's just this. Let's try to connect that one. I really suck at FTP today. Is this how it's gonna be now? Well, and what's the... Let's go back one up. It's not very useful in helping me to connect to that. So even the documentation is quite poor, I can see. Everyone thinks that it's a great idea to sell people MVP in 5 days. Good. I like to have those, you know, everyone that agrees with me. It's obviously the best always. Although I think I will actually quite soon, like let's go get to 2 hours and I will probably go for lunch and stuff. Because this FTP doesn't seem to work for me today. And I feel like quite silly. Yeah, I feel quite silly today because it's not working. I wonder, like, okay, yeah, let's just translate it to English, obviously. So connecting, login, enter your FTP username. Domain, select your domain if it's your account. So the FTP account name will be your email address at the domain. Password, enter password, all web services connect. Allow management on the roots. Select the directory. Backup. Okay, there's not really no information that is useful here to me. Like, yeah, okay, they make sense. Like they're just so obvious here that you just don't have to. Let's just try to read their documentation on how to connect to that bloody thing. You can connect to the FTP server using your hosting's FTP details, an FTP account. Each hosting has its own unique FTP host and FTP username. Additionally, you can create additional FTP accounts, link additional users. It's like how to do it with any other. How do I find the login details? Okay, let's just ask. Send the template website via LinkedIn. Please take a look. Send. Okay, what's the Mohammed? Fill in the form random. Okay, let's go to this. I'm a Python developer. So it's a contact me, yeah. Your name. My name is Maciej. Your email is Maciej. Let's do my backup. Maciej. Test. Hello. Send message. So it's gonna send it to you, obviously. Is this like is this yeah, I forgot what you were saying, how it's actually built. So now it's I should get that. Yes. Suppose now she's okay. Yeah, whatever. I'm still applying for some jobs, so but I don't really want to go there too much. I hope they're not watching. Okay, yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's a nice form. I'll respond to your message. And very nice design of the email. Yeah, nice email. Just fill out the form, random info. This is the template website built. Check this function is handled by app script. Yeah, I feel like what I've done in Planero, I've actually implemented quite a similar thing. You know, in Planero, it's actually working similar. Although, like, there's also functionality to send to you like credentials and stuff, like additionally to that. And this is built in Python. Can I figure out how to log into my FTP today? That's probably what I. Oh, actually, let me just bounce it by my AI. So I want to create. What's the name of the thing? New window. Open recent product planner. GitHub deployment script. Create. What's AI is good as well for. GitHub deployment script for this project. My FTP details are, yeah, and I don't really, yeah, let's try to actually just do it for now and like hard code them. And I don't know, I can't test it here, which is a pain because like for my other stuff, yeah, I can do this. It's easy. And I connect to my FTP. And here I can't really, which is a painful thing to see. Yeah, and I don't know what details it needs. Let's see here. So that's user. Let's see the other user actually. Yeah, so this one, web services, 2 FTPs, options, show all, login, maybe. No. Copy. No. Okay. Not pixel. Oh, what's my pixel and logic? Okay, did I just write it incorrectly? Pixel and logic.eu. Maybe this is actually, maybe I made a typo. Not the first time in my life, I guess. Waiting to retry. Okay, so that's not a typo thing. What else is wrong there? Server, at home, port. Should I do port maybe, or maybe keep it empty? Or maybe there's a different port. Okay, let's see. Let's see what ports are those using. Right. Okay, no port here, no port here. Yeah, okay. Similar, yeah. Yeah. I feel silly. Wouldn't you? All web server content. Is this like sent anywhere? Maybe it's sent to my email. So maybe here. Mail servers. Is it here? No, that's not the one. Can I view this one somehow? Anti-spam redirects to the account. FTP access to all websites. FTP to... No, maybe this one. Pixels. And... Actually, oh, he's my localhost. Pixels. Oh, so my website address is Pixel. Okay. Oh, Pixels. No, it's fine. Pixels. This one, no. Pixels and logic. Pixels and logic. Don't know. Maybe I'm not gonna do it now. Save. Email plus FTP. Oh, there's match ID. Okay, maybe that's it. Maybe that was incorrect actually. Let's see actually if match ID will work. Connect. No. Save. Mr. Match ID, can you actually get me into... No. What does the connection attempt failed with? No name. Neither no name nor server name. Not known. This is a server name. It's like a... Maybe the... Do I need to put FTP here? Dot. Don't tell me that I made such a silly mistake here. Although we know those are things that we often forget. Waiting to retry. Nope, FTP server doesn't work. Web services, options, manage. Show all. match ID, edit, match ID. Send. I wonder where it's sending. Okay. Already exists. Mailbox named. Let's remove this one. I think it says that here I should be able to get my options. View email address list, redirects, autoresponders, two-factor, edit email account, FTP, no. How the hell do I connect to this FTP? I don't know, like. Desktop. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I probably might need to shit because this is like a web services manage. So usually like FTP is the easy part for me. Do I have to like again spend some crazy amount of time on this? Like, is this really necessary? Access web FTP show all. Create new backup. Connect to FTP server. Okay, maybe this will tell me. How to download files, how to transfer, zip, web. Nothing here really. Using FTP client and login details. You can do it in homepage. How do I? FTP. Okay. Oh no. Back. Server. Ooh. But like this will just show me that this is there actually. Yes. Yeah. Here. Yeah. I know. This is where I went to. Oh, do I have to set up a password here? Address, email. What? Why did you hide it so badly? Web services, if I go here. So now, settings, access password. Yeah, send it. Okay. So why there is a password in the FTP section? Is it gonna be that easy? Yeah, okay. Is this available here now? Module konta FTP, skorzystaj z przycisku otwórz. Okay, here create FTP for administrator. Okay, give a login. All domains, is it? Yeah, okay, he saved, yes. Yeah, options. No, I don't need your web FTP, it's crap. No, I don't want to do your web FTP. Yeah, okay. Okay, I did that. Maybe that will. Is this like how we do it? Like because this is how we do it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Connect. No, it doesn't change anything. What a lie. No, what a lie. What's my login? Okay, so master. Oh, maybe okay. Okay, maybe I would just use this stuff. Not this. Okay. Maybe. Are you? Okay, another one. Maybe it needs to be ftp dot connect. Oh, fucking hell. Look, what a stupid service. Like, why? Why don't you just, like, let me create those fucking FTP? What a stupid service. Ah. Access show all. Delete. Can I... How can I access your stupid FTP? Still like a... Yeah, FTP host. Yeah, okay, I don't know if this is the one or not. It's not really helping. It's not really helping. So I created access password. Yes, I did that. Send. Where is it sending? Why did... Oh. Okay, I don't know if it was created. I don't know. Maybe it will actually confirm it to my email or something. Or for you. No. No. Older programmer. Yeah, okay, whatever. Yeah, I think it's 2 hours. I think we will be going. I don't know what to do with this stupid FTP because I need that, I think, in order to send files here and to deploy it. Otherwise, I'll just deploy it manually, which I absolutely hate, but I might actually need to do that. How do I FTP? Oh, okay, 21, port 21. Maybe this is it? Or port 9, port 29, SSL. Yeah, I did check, actually. It's not really very helpful. Can I do it this way? Maybe. Yeah, so connect. Yeah, I watched their video or whatever. Show all. Oh, okay, so this one is with email. No. Delete. Export list. Yeah, because it gives me this. I'll try again. Host. Username. I don't know. I can, it says it's. Is it this? Username. Quick connect. I'm just. Yeah, I don't know. Fucking hell. Like, how does it work? Yeah, I might. Web services. The thing is, like, you know, probably I what ChatGPT will just give me like generic answers, and like I've tried it. FTP accounts. Let's try the main one, maybe. All domains. Is this actually your login? Shit. Or is it match AD? Let's try that one. It says that status is in progress. Okay, so probably it's gonna be done now. Let's try this as a login. 21. Quick connect. No. No. Maybe this without add. Maybe 21 here. Quick connect. Yeah, because like the I need to know what sort of okay, maybe actually if I do it directly there, and or maybe I'll just have a lunch and then be working on it again later. Okay, thanks for coming, guys. I think like that I will have a break and give up for now, and maybe I'll fix it later, or I will just manually upload my stupid files to the server, which is maybe the quickest and dirtiest way to do it. Let's try again. Match AD. This is it's gonna say that it's taken. Yes. Wybrany catalog, pixels and logic. Send. I don't know if you're sending. Yeah. If you're sending it anywhere, send. Yeah. Don't know. Yeah, let me just ask my copilot actually. Maybe he will know. Details are recording. Okay. Login. Login. My password, I will give it in a minute. 2 FTP accounts according to this. Host FTP. Yeah, see you. Yeah. Actually, I will just quickly Google that as well, but passwords, which I will do on the other screen, so I'm not sharing it with you, lovely people. And yeah. Yeah, okay. I will be back later. I think it was a good stream, very useful. Good to speak to Kuba and good to speak to you guys. Good to see you guys. Good to see you, Mohammed. You've been active today. Thank you. Great to see other people. And yeah, I will end the stream for now and be back in like 2 hours or something. See ya.